hi, come over here. Or do you want to sit up here?
I want to sit up here.
All right, you can sit right there. That's perfect. All right, look at right here. Say hi, guys.
Hi!
Harrison's back. He's back for another video. Our favorite. So we have unboxing from Hibbett Sports. And then you got a new toolbox. So we're going to open this for him as soon as we're done with these. So let's open the shoes first. Do you want to see your shoes?
Yeah!
Cool, man. Let's see what they sent you. I don't know what they sent you, man. They sent you a surprise box, Harrison.
Yeah!
It's perfect. Just for Harrison. So let's take a look. Maybe come back here. Watch.
That's
Right here. Ta-da! Right here. Ready?
Yeah.
Now, let's see what they sent you. Whoa, paper. What is in this box?
Oh!
Whoa! They're shoes.
Yeah!
Wow, those are cool shoes, Harrison.
Look at, they have words all over them.
Yeah!
That's awesome. These are cool. These are called Air Force Ones.
Yeah.
Do you see this? What does that say? It says, just do it.
Yeah.
Can you say, just do it?
Just do it.
That's what it says. It says, just do it.
Just do it.
That's right. Cool, huh? Those are awesome. And look at that. Feels cool. It's like rubbery. I like it. Bless you. You want to show them your shoe? Hold it up like this. Hold it up to the camera like this.
New shoes.
See? A shoe. Now watch. And then you go like this. See, look. This is a shoe. Now rotate it around like this. And now flip it on the bottom so they can see the bottom. Do you like it?
Yeah.
Can you say thank you?
Thank you.
That is amazing. You want to see? Let's see Daddy's real quick first, and then I'll show you yours. Yeah. Whoa, let's sit down here, buddy. Here. Now you want to help Daddy open his? Here. Ta-da, right here.
Eat Daddy.
Yeah, you want to open that up and see?
Yeah.
What did they send Daddy? I don't even know. Yay! Look at it. They sent Daddy shoes too.
Those are awesome.
Whoa, can you read this?
It's orange.
Look at it. What does this say? Can you read it? What is this letter?
L-U-S-T-E-O-I-T.
Just do it.
Just do it.
That's a J, not an L. Close though.
Yeah.
It says just do it. And this is Nike. Can you say Nike?
Nike.
That's right. It says just do it. Cool. Look at these. Are really orange, huh? They're really bright. Hey, look. It says just do it right here too.
That is doing right here.
Yeah. These are really cool.
Yeah.
I like these.
Mama, look.
Oh my gosh.
Cool,
those are
huh?
awesome.
Orange.
It's orange is my favorite color.
It's Mama's favorite color, orange.
Yeah, orange.
These are awesome.
Yeah, awesome.
This is called an Air Max.
Yeah, Air Max.
Air Max 95.
Yeah, I made
Air Max
95.
95. That's right. Yep, Air Max 95. Daddy likes this model a lot. This is really cool.
Now let's get to the best part.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Hibbett.
Oh,
Thank you, Wendy.
I want to see my toolbox.
Now you want to see your toolbox? Okay, let's go ahead and take a look. So, now that we open that, let's take a look at Harrison's toolbox. Bring it over here, Harrison.
I'm so excited.
Are you excited? There you go. Yeah, you want to face the camera, see? Ta-da! That's a drill.
And that hammer.
A hammer, yeah. Whoa.
It is the blue button.
It's a toolbox. I'm gonna push the button. Pull the button.
Now look.
I think this is the gray ones you hammer. The gray ones you hammer. This one you hammer.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, yeah. Oh, here's another one. You gotta line it up. Now watch this. Ready? Now I'll pull the trigger. See this line in? Watch, Harrison. Watch. Is that cool?
So cool.
I want to go Daddy.
Okay, let's go down this way. Say bye, guys.
Bye guys.
All right, so just to give you guys a closer look of these, we have the Just Do It pack from Nike, and this is a really crazy looking orange colorway. Like in hand, you really can tell how insanely like safety orange this is. Box says it's total orange and retails $170. If you guys do want to buy a pair of these, check the link in the description. But pretty dope pack actually. I like that this one is real minimal. Not a crazy ton of branding. Some of the Just Do It ones have a ton of branding. This one is just pretty simple with the Just Do It right here. And I like it. And I like the orange, and obviously the orange and black is a win for me. Go Beavs. So that is this one. And Harrison's is dope too. I don't know if this Air Force One is treated because it's a kid's pair or if this is just the way they came, but this is like a really cool material over top of it. It feels almost waterproof.
2 toolboxes.
You bring his other toolbox in?
Yeah.
It's hilarious. But these are really nice. I love that this is like an all over print that says Just Do It. And really cool looking design on this one. So that is what Harrison got. This is what I got. Thank you to Hibbett Sports for sending these our way. And Harrison's going to go play with his toolbox. As you can see, he's walking in the other room. Let's go follow him. You like this?
Yeah,
hi, wife.
So cute.
Hi, hi, pal.
Hi.
You're looking pretty prego. Pretty exciting. For me, not as much as you. And then shout out to Lola right here. And Chloe. 10s, I believe. And shout out to Harrison's garbage truck collection over here. And shout out to wife's new vacuum right here. I made good on my promise and got her a Dyson that she wanted. And then we have Harrison. Harrison, how do you like your toolbox? You like that one better?
Yeah.
Oh, that's really unfortunate for me because I just... You like that one too? Well, I'm glad you like your toolboxes. Now you can fix lots of things.
Bye.
Okay, see you soon.
What?
You like your new shoes?
Yeah.
Those are so cool,
Those are
man.
rad, dude.
They're orange and black. They make you jump super high. Whoa. Look at those things. Cool, man. Awesome.
Eat your pizza, and then you can have shaved ice, okay?
Oh, why?
And you can have a big shaved ice, okay? Woo! Woo! Holy smokes, you can jump so high with those shoes.
Yeah.
Look. But here are the kicks again, and thank you to Hibbett Sports for sponsoring this video. Once again, if you guys want to shop at their website, check the link in the description. You got to go check out their release calendar. They got a lot of cool things on there, including the Raptor Air Jordan 4s that are releasing soon. But that is the video. The kid and the wife are playing. We got to go. Peace, guys.